In today's video, I want to talk about how to break a love spell. Yes, if you feel your partner is being affected by a love spell casted on him or her by another person, do this recipe immediately and the person will be totally free from whatever love spell he or she is suffering from. And how do you know your partner is under a love spell? There are so many signs which I'll be saying towards the end of the video. So to break the love spell, the first thing you need to do is to get an egg, a raw egg, preferably a native egg. But if you don't have a native egg, you can use any one you have. Do not boil the egg, do not fry it, just let it be the way it is. So when you get the egg, you are going to soak this egg with your early morning urine. Your early morning urine is the urine you get immediately you wake up from sleep. That is how you get your early morning urine, or any urine you get from 4 a.m. till when you wake up. If you're the type that wake up without being able to urinate, you can urinate from 4 a.m. It's okay. You can keep it in a container, then get this egg, put it inside. When you put it inside, you pray. You say that egg signifies life, that this your partner is living another life that is not how God created him. That as you use this egg you soak in your urine, it is going to break and destroy any spell that has been casted on him or her. You put the egg there and continue with whatever you are doing till when you are ready to perform the assignment. So if you want to do it today, make sure you soak it for the minimum hours you can soak it is 1 hour. You can soak it 1 day, 2 days, depending. Okay, so if you want to use it, just make sure it stays in that urine for more than 1 hour. Then get the egg. Tell your ex-partner this works better when your partner is aware and wants to free his or herself from the spell. You take it, give it to your partner to say prayers on it. The person you want to destroy the spell working on him or her, give it to him or her to say that any spell that a woman or a man has casted on me that is making me not to love my original partner, that is making me to love him or her more, that is making me to obey him or her, that is making me to do the things I'm not supposed to do to him or her or for him or her, that as you use this egg to pray, that let all the spells be destroyed. Say the prayers the way you want it. Then you that want to break the spell, use it to hit on the person's head once. Make sure the egg breaks immediately. Don't hit it twice. Make sure as you hit it hard for it to break on that person's head. Allow it to gush down the head. They use it to rub all over the face, all over the head. As you're rubbing it, say, I am bringing in a new life into your life. All the life you have been living are fake, are man-made. I am destroying it today with this egg, bringing a new life into your life. After that, once you finish praying, go and wash your body from head to toe with warm water and salt. Then, if you have 6-flower oil, use it to anoint the person's head. If you don't have, use olive oil to anoint the person's head. Then every day keep anointing the person's head with either olive oil or 6-flower oil and pray. That is how to destroy any love spell or charm. Then how do you know your partner is under a spell? There are so many signs. Number one, the person will start hating on you. Any little thing you do, he or she will pick offense. Any small thing you do, the way the person will react to you wonder what is happening, what is going on. Another sign to show that your partner is under a spell, if he's a man, he will stop taking care of the family. If he's somebody that usually pays bills, provide for the family, he will find it difficult to do that because his attention is elsewhere. Even when you tell him his own child is sick, he won't be bothered. Even when you are dying, he may not even go to visit you in the hospital. Even when the child is dying, he may not be interested to do whatever the doctors ask him to do because he is tired. He is under a spell that he doesn't know how to get out of it, that he doesn't even know what is happening. Even those things you're saying to him, he is not comprehending it, he is not understanding it. When you talk of death, he's not getting it. Then another sign to show that your partner is under a spell. When somebody is under a spell, the person will be nonchalant about anything. Things you do together, he or she will no longer be interested to do it. Take for instance, you pray together in the morning, he or she will not be interested again. You eat together, he or she will not be interested to eat. When it's time for both of you to eat, he or she will walk away or will not be hungry until you finish eating. Things you do together, maybe betting together, he or she will no longer be interested. When things like this occur, know that your partner is under a spell. Another sign to show that your partner is under a spell, he will no longer obey people or respect people he usually respects. There are persons you complain about your partner's misbehavior, they can talk to him or her, but this time around, he doesn't respect. Even when they call him or her, he or she will not pick because he doesn't know what he's doing. Take for instance, your partner, he respects, as a man, you respect your parents. When your wife goes to complain to your parents, they will call you to order. But once you are under a spell, even the highest person in the family, he will never obey. He will never respond to their messages. The only thing you want at that moment is separation, divorce, because that is the main target of that spell. So when you see your partner behaving this way, know that he or she is under a spell. Another thing that will make you know that your partner is under a spell is he will not tell you his location. Whenever he wants to do anything, he will not carry you along. He will want to do things at his own time, anytime you want, anyhow you want. Maybe both of you usually communicate in terms of doing anything, but once he's under another love spell, believe me, he will never tell you anything again. His finances you will not know, his movements you would not know. Another sign to show that your partner is under a love spell is he will be unfaithful or she will be unfaithful because he or she is cheating, he or she is seeing another person, and he or she will not be remorseful when caught. The only language he or she wants that at that moment is, if you are not happy with what I am doing, pack your things and go. Any small thing, I am tired of the marriage, I'm tired of the relationship. They are eager to separate, they are eager to divorce. So when it gets to this stage, know that your partner is under a spell. Quietly do this, and by the grace of God, your partner will be saved. Try it and make sure you share your testimony under the comment section or on my WhatsApp number. I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one.